Get ready to take a picture. Or make a video. You ready? He will hang underneath the wing by his feet. No safety rope, no parachute. There he goes. Chuck Tippett, hanging underneath the wing, folks. Woo! And that's how you do it. Now he's going to walk back along the wing and see if he does the human javelin next or goes to the top wing. We'll see. Joe Bender doing a nice job on keeping the airspeed up. You need to keep it up. You got somebody on that wing, a lot of drag. The airplane has got asymmetric pull to the left. It's hard to fly. Let's see if we get back in the cockpit or do the javelin. Not sure which. If he does the javelin, he'll be lying on the flying wires between the wings. You see where it makes an X? That's the human javelin. Do we have any wing? Do we have the posters yet? Where's William? Where's my posters? Oh, here we are. It's not William. One of our wing walkers, Beth Summer, is out here with the posters, $3 a piece. Here we go. The human javelin, ladies and gentlemen, is Chuck Tippett. Flying like Superman between the wires, over 100 miles an hour. All right, get your posters. Chuck is going to sign them right here, white flag.